Why happiness? Everybody is asking why are you talking about happiness all the time? No, I don't want to tell you why we are talking about happiness. Let me show you one thing, okay? Can you do one simple thing with me? Can you just spread your arms? Yes, just one thing. I know it's stupid, but still do it. Yes, just look up. Yes, look up and try to be sad. Can you be sad when you open your arms and look up? Yeah. Now do one thing. Bring your arms closer, like this. Come like this. And now try to be sad. Which one is easier? I know, obviously the second one, right? When you are happy, you expand. Your body expands. You want to expand everything that you're involved in. You want to expand the number of people that you meet or you interact, the number of things that you're doing in life, number of projects that you're taking, everything you just want to expand. And when you're sad, you just want to shrink. You contract everything, the number of the things that you're doing, number of projects that you're working on, and number of people that you're interacting with. In fact, when you're very sad, you don't want to talk to anybody. You don't want to meet anybody. You just want to be in your shell, because this is what unhappiness is doing to us. When we are unhappy, we just want our life to shrink, because there is a safety in shrinking and there's a risk in expansion. Yes, but this is the risk that make us who we are, make us blossom as human beings. So we don't care about happiness. Being a founder of the company Happiitude, promoting happiness and well-being to so many people in so many countries, I am telling you, we don't really care about happiness. We care about how much you can expand the scope of your life, how much you can expand the scope of work and impact you can create on the world. And if you really care for the world, if you really want to make an impact on the world, you cannot afford to shrink.